Have you ever tried on something in a store but weren't sure if you should buy it? In this video, you will learn how to try on shoes and ask important questions in English.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for new shoes.
What kind of shoes are you looking for?
Something comfortable for walking. I'm going on a trip next week.
I see. These are very popular. They are light and easy to walk in.
They look good. Can I try these on?
Of course. What size are you?
I'm size 9.
Here you go.
Thanks. They feel a little tight. Do you have these in size 10?
Let me check. I'm sorry. We don't have size 10 in this model.
Oh, that's too bad.
But we have a similar pair. It's a little wider and more comfortable.
Okay, I'll try them.
Here you are.
These feel better. Can I walk around in them?
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah, these are comfortable. They're comfortable, but I don't really like the design. I like the first pair more. Do you have these in other colors?
Yes, we have black and gray.
Can I see the black ones?
Of course.
This looks much better. By the way, can I return them if they don't fit?
Yes, you can return them within 30 days, but they must be unused.
So I can't wear them outside?
Right. Please try them only indoors.
Got it. They are comfortable, and I like this color. How much are these?
They are $120.
That's a bit expensive, but I need good shoes for my trip. Okay, I'll take them.
Great choice. How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Have a great trip.
How much did you understand? Do you have these in size? Is a very useful phrase when shopping. You can change the number to match your size and use it in any store. If something doesn't fit, don't worry, just ask for a different size. Try using this phrase in real situations. Did you enjoy this video? When you buy shoes, what is the most important thing for you? Comfort, design, or price? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.